Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V40 SE, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right here, and grabbing our little tool, find the little insert area and push the pen in. And see that the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. There we go. And on the tray you'll have space for one SIM card at the top, and at the bottom either a SIM card or SD card. So if you're planning to use a SIM, you just kind of place it like so, but because I'm using one of each, I'm going to clip it at the top. There we go. And then flip it over and slap in my SD card in here. Now I want to squeeze them together. They should clip into place and should not be falling out of the tray if you flip it over. From there, pop it back into your device. And both of these cards should start working right away, hence why it's showing up with the enter pin, SIM card pin to be more precise. So this will unlock my SIM card, and there should also be some info about the SD card being detected. So let's see our notifications, and there it is at the very bottom. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.